Well, day 4 is done. Pond is done. Filling it up. Started laying some fabric here. I'll put some edging with a little bit of mulch here. This will be grass next to my fire pit / garden area at the moment. Majority of these will be planted up there. I started laying some edging over there, and I'll continue all the way around here, all the way up around there. Electrical's all done, waterfall's all done, everything's been sealed. Got a lot of the edging done. Gotta finish here and then do here once I lay fabric down over there, but I'll do that probably on Sunday, weather permitting. And then during the week, once fabric's up, I'll plant some stuff up there, and then next weekend gonna mulch all of that up there, over here, a little bit here, and hopefully during the week I'll slowly start adding some fish if there are no leaks and everything's good. So here's a little bit of an update. Lots of work. So worth it though.